Spiderman 2099 sound effect. Okay, dude. I'm just gonna have that playing in the background. It'll just play randomly, okay? I'm just gonna have that randomly. Because why not? It'll make the stream more interesting whenever it does happen.
Kind of a reboot, kind of another Forza game.
Oh,
they've been describing this one as the
Forza.
most technically advanced racing
Okay, I'm
game
not into
ever
Forza.
made,
Never
I don't know
have been.
If that's true, I
This
think
ain't for
we're
me.
going to have to see a lot of comparison done after the game's release. But I'll say it looks pretty freaking incredible between the ray tracing, the
I almost
physics,
forgot about
the
that.
tire
I almost
wear,
forgot
leather.
about
It all
that.
looks really cool. I don't doubt the idea that it's among the most technically advanced games ever made.
Okay,
Just
well,
from
it
the
got
looks
me
of
there.
it, it's hard to argue with. I am a little bit more of a Forza Horizon person than a Forza Motorsport person.
Sure.
I kind of like that little injection of a tiny bit of arcade into the formula. But obviously, Motorsport is a hell of a series, or sub-series, I guess. And I am, of course, really excited to see where they take Forza.
Why? Bro, you can't just hit me back to back like that. What the fuck?
At number 13 is Dark Envoy.
Is there something wrong with Forza or something?
Tactical/classical
Why is Forza so intimidating?
I mean, that's a large
First
number
and foremost,
of
you guys need to know one important thing, and there's... And that one important thing... Alright. Shit, man, this is ruined it. It's to never pre-order a game. Wait until the reviews are out is what I was gonna say. All right. The time. Always wait for the reviews to make sure that the game is good. Oh my god, and there's just a house there?
Is novel.
Who would want to live
least.
here?
Like, it is definitely taking it a step beyond press A to do the next thing on the deployment. And I think that that's good. I'm excited to play the entire
agree.
length of it. Don't Nod
yes,
is a developer that just really does not want you to predict what they're going to do next.
Well, you know,
decades.
you have...
I mean, Control is a masterpiece.
Stop.
I fully expect Alan Wake 2 to be the exact same thing. There's some major differences here. You got two protagonists for one. And everything else that ensues, I'm just really excited for. I love Alan Wake. I love Remedy.
Why is it a jump scare every time, dude?
How the Remedy
fucking hate that
universe
noise.
continues to develop. It's one of the funniest things possible. It's automatically funny because they gave him a gruff voice.
What's going on?
It's amusing. Obviously, he's Ryan Reynolds in the movie. Very different experience.
All right, dude.
Still very good. I love the movie.
Pikachu looks so chubby. He's a bit of a
really
chubber
excited
in here.
to play Detective.
You have
much
a PS5,
and it's not just bigger. There's a lot more new
whatever,
mechanics.
man.
The story looks like it's much more interesting. And the suits, my friends, the suits. You don't have to pay for the suits. When you ask
a
where my
close-up on the
suit
ass.
is,
Okay,
it's just in the menu, unlockable after playing the game. I
mean, the perfect time for it. Yeah.
Spider-Man's. Marvel's Spider-Man 2 is coming to the PlayStation.
I'm a broken man. No, I was kidding. Anyway, I'm actually pretty all right. All right. What did that remind me of, Aku there? Games like these are the kinds of games that you would like think they're really fun because, you know, all the Jakeness is there. But then you get to it and you're like, okay, actually, this game just sucks. Like, this is actually just not fun. Okay.
Ryan and Robin are two Italian chefs making pizzas when you notice unusually large rodents in the kitchen.
Stop.
Wayne enters later as the exterminator they've called to the scene.
What we need is something totally... Can I take a moment? Take it. Done. All right. That's why I love working with you. What about me? Shut up. All right. What we need is you filled with lust.
Okay, that stupid sound effect, it always gets me. I keep forgetting about it. A crossover you never expected, huh? Okay. All right, a crossover you never expected. Sure, what is it?
There's a thing like this in Sonic Boom where like we accidentally teleported outside of it into the nothingness.
Yeah.
Oh.
Put a whole level before it loaded. What the fuck?
No shot. No shot, it did it right on that. Right on the whatever that thing was. Okay, dude. The smile on Sonic is cursed as heck as well. What is that, dude? No way.
Where's his oh my
Whoa.
god!
Did something like
this
totally
is
glitch
cursed.
out? Oh my god.
Yeah, that was terrifying.
Oh my god, this is not what our eyes are supposed to be.
That is just
Really?
wrong.
Oh my god, their faces!
Look at Sonic's eyeballs. Look at Knuckles. His eyeballs are coming. His eyeballs are coming right out of his forehead. What's going on? November 17th. That's not too far away, man. You know, I guess that's not too far away, and then it just hits me with that.
It ends here. We act like nothing happened.
Okay. All right. Yeah. All right. Well, that was definitely. All right. Yeah. Gosh, Mickey. I didn't know you were so docile and breedable. Submissive. Yeah. Oh my God. Stop. All right. Anyway, I guess it wasn't. It wasn't many. All right. Anyway, yeah. Let's move on from that one there. I really don't know how to say about that. All right. Any other video game news that I should know? How much longer is this thing? Oh my God. There's still like 8 minutes left of that stupid thing. Right then. Okay. Destroyed. Right at the end. Right at the freaking end when he just like gets out of it. All right, dude. Oh my God, that stupid thing. I think that's gotta be it. Yeah. No, there's still one more in there. Okay. I mean, shit, man. I guess.